Hi, my name is Andy, and today I'm going to show you how to maintain your Shark FlexBreeze Pro Mist fan. It is recommended to clean and maintain your fan once every 6 months or as needed. First, to ensure the fan will not accidentally turn on during maintenance, lock mode must be activated. Lock mode will temporarily block all fan functions until deactivated. This is to prevent risk of the fan operating when the blades are exposed for cleaning. To activate lock mode, press and hold the oscillation button on top of the fan head for 8 seconds. When activated, all lights on the front display will flash 3 times. Now you are ready to perform maintenance on your fan. We will start by removing the fan grill. First, tilt the fan head all the way back to reveal the grill screw underneath. Use the Phillips head end of the provided hex key to remove the screw located on the underside of the fan head by turning counterclockwise. Then, set screw aside. The fan grill is located on the front of the product and covers the fan blades. Rotate this piece counterclockwise to remove and set aside. If you have lost track of your hex key, please refer to the full digital instructional booklet to see hardware specs so you can use your own hex key at home for this process. With one hand securing the fan blades, use your other hand to locate the fan blade cap. Unscrew this piece in a clockwise motion to remove and set aside. Please note, this is in the opposite of the typical loosening direction. Carefully remove the fan blades by gently pulling them toward you and off the center shaft. Set aside. With a damp microfiber cloth, wipe down all the easily accessible interior parts of the fan. That's it. Now you can reassemble the fan. First, replace the fan blades by carefully sliding them onto the center shaft. Note that there is a groove in the fan blades for a pin on the center shaft. Align the fan blades so the pin fits into the groove. You should be able to fully see the threads of the center shaft when assembled properly. With one hand holding the fan blades in place, use your other hand to screw the fan blade cap back on. Rotate this piece counterclockwise to attach. Please note that this is the opposite of the typical tightening direction. Identify the lock icon on the front of the fan and the arrow on the front grill. Line up the arrow on the front grill with the unlock icon on the fan. Then, insert and rotate it clockwise to fasten the fan head. Position the fan head on a flat level surface and use the Phillips head end of your provided hex key to fasten the screw clockwise on the underside of the fan head. Lastly, you'll need to deactivate lock mode before using the fan. To deactivate lock mode, press and hold the oscillation button on top of the fan head for 8 seconds. When deactivated, all lights on the front display the startup animation. It is recommended to clean your water tank every 3 months or as needed. Clean the water tank with unscented soap and warm water. Make sure to rinse all the soap out of the water tank. Set aside to dry completely before usage. To maintain the misting hose, use a damp cloth to clean the rubber seals on both ends, helping to prevent buildup over time. Next, I'll tell you how to maintain the misting nozzles. For best results, clean the misting nozzles once a year or as needed when nozzles clog. Using hard water will require more frequent cleaning. Carefully remove each nozzle one at a time by carefully twisting them counterclockwise with your hands. Soak nozzles in a solution of undiluted distilled white vinegar, 5% acetic acid by volume, to loosen debris that may be clogging or restricting the nozzles. Do not soak the nozzles for more than 2 hours. Rinse the nozzles thoroughly in water before reinstalling them one at a time by twisting clockwise until you feel some resistance. And it's as simple as that. The Shark fan is so easy to clean and maintain, I'm confident I'll be able to keep it up and running for a very long time. Looking for more tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.